Good morning, students. I really hope you all are fine at home. I am back with another chapter of Value Education. So, open page number 31, chapter number 8. Sharing is fun. Now, look here, students. Theme of the chapter is when we share, we show that we love and care. Do you know what is the meaning of sharing? Sharing means, or to share means, when we give a part or a portion to another student or another person. For example, I am sharing my eraser with another student. So, when we share things, it shows that we love and care. Now, look at the question here. It says, your friend comes to your house. He brings a chocolate for you. Your younger sister also loves chocolate. Will you do? Now tell me, students, what will you do? You share it with her or hide it and eat it yourself later? I really hope you all have your brothers and sisters at home. So you share your chocolate with them or not? Yes. So answer it, share it with her. Now read this story about two bunny brothers. Share what they get. Now this is the story about two bunny brothers who used to share the things they get. Now the two brothers. All of you put your finger here. Once upon a time, there were two bunnies. Toby was small and Robbie was big. They were brothers. One hot summer day, Robbie and Toby went up a hill to look for grass to eat. Now, see this picture, students. This is Robbie and this is Toby. Now, Robbie said, "Oh, it's so hot. The grass has dried up completely." They were tired and hungry. Toby wanted to rest. Robbie looked here and there. "I am too tired to walk now. I want to rest for some time," Toby said. Now Robbie started looking for a place for Toby so that he can take rest. Now Robbie saw something green under a tree. He went near the tree. It was a very small patch of grass. "Toby, come here quickly. There is some grass here." Toby came running, but the grass was too little for two people to eat. "Brother, I am not hungry anymore. Please eat the grass while I take a nap." Toby knew Robbie was very hungry like him. "Big brother, I know that the grass is very little, but we will share it and then go home." The two bunny brothers shared the grass and went home happily. Now, students, what you have learned from this chapter? That when we share, it shows that we love and care about other people. And other people can be our family or our friends. Okay, so come on page number 33. Now fill in the blanks. Robbie and Toby went up a dash. Tell me, students, where did Robbie and Toby went up? Answer is hill. They were looking for dash to eat. They were looking for grass to eat. Write down the answer, students. Very good. Robbie saw something green under a. Tell me, students, tell the answer. He saw something green under a tree. Write down the answer, students. The grass was too dash for two people to eat. So tell me, students, the grass was too more or too little? The grass was too little for two people to eat. Robbie and Toby dashed the grass. Robbie and Toby shared the grass. Robbie and Toby shared the grass. And sharing is caring. Write down the answer, students. Now come on discussion. Time to think. Now listen to me very carefully. By sharing our things with others, we show our love for them. There are lots of things we can share with our family and friends, like food, pencils, toys, so many other things. Discuss in class what will happen if you don't share anything with others in class. Now, students, while we were studying in school, many students used to share their erasers, pencils, food, sharpener, many more things. So tell me, students, what will happen if you will not share your things with another student? It will show that you are not caring, that you never care for other people. And you will not be able to become friends with another student because you are not caring or loving the other student because you are not sharing. So I think this can happen. So we should always share our belongings with another student. Yes, very good. Now time for reality check. Is the child thinking right? Circle yes or no. Okay, students? So let's get started. I must ask Priya if I can share her crayons. So, if you want something from someone, if you want someone to share things with you, you should ask first. So, this is right or wrong? Yes, so answer is yes. Let me hide the car before Zafar sees it. Now see how he is hiding his car. So this is a good habit or a bad habit? No. We should never hide our toys with another friend. Very good, students. Mark the correct answers. Come on, next page, students. Come on, page number 34. Look at my new game. Let's play it together. So, yes or no, students? Is this a good habit? Yes. The answer is yes. We should always share our games with our friends. Now, see, why should I get down? I was the first one to reach the swing. Now, can you see this girl is thinking that why should I get down for the little kid? I came here first. So she is thinking, right or wrong, students? She is not ready to share the swing with another kid. So her thinking is wrong. So answer will be no. Now students, your time. What will you do in the given situations? Okay, first, one is left. I won't share my sweets. They will finish very fast. So tell me students, we should share our sweets with our friends, yes or no? Yes, we should always share our sweets with another students. But look at him, what he is doing. He is not ready to share his sweets. So this is no. Now your time. Now there are few questions, students. You have to mark answers according to what you think. So this is your homework. And this is also your homework. Now students, we have learned today that sharing is caring. It shows that we care for our friends and family. I really hope you have learned this value and you will start sharing your things with your parents and your brothers and sisters. Okay, students, have a nice day.